Hi, this is Katya. I'm going to show you how to make a simple syrup, which I use for a lot of my cocktails. It is super easy, quick, and so much cheaper to make at home than to buy. All you need to make a simple syrup is water and sugar, equal parts of each.
Combine them in a small pot, turn up the heat, and mix them well.
Bring it to simmer, and you're done. Now you just have to let it cool. And now that you know how to make simple syrup, you can make any kind of syrup you like. You can experiment with different fruit, flowers, herbs, whatever your creativity takes you. The formula is 1 part of sugar, 1 part of water, and you can be done right there, or you can add an equal part of an ingredient you're using.
Let's try it with strawberries. Equal parts of strawberries, sugar, and water. Bring to simmer, let it steep, and strain. Rosemary syrup is delicious. Equal parts of rosemary, water, and sugar. Steep and strain. Let's do one more. How about rhubarb simple syrup? Simmer, strain, squeeze all of the juices out. You can use this syrup in cocktails, mocktails. You can put it over yogurt, pancakes, or crepes. There are a ton of uses for them. It's also pretty enough to give as gifts. It keeps well in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 weeks. Discard it when it gets cloudy.
I hope you enjoy this.